In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check email logs in Salesforce. Whether you're troubleshooting email delivery issues or simply keeping track of the email correspondence managed within your Salesforce environment, knowing how to access your email logs can be tremendously helpful. Let's dive right into the process step by step so you can follow along with ease. Start by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Accessing this page is your gateway into the world of Salesforce, where you can manage and monitor your activities. Once you're on the home page, your next move is to locate the Quick Settings menu. This is typically found on the top navigation bar and provides you quick access to various features without having to slog through extensive menus. It's a convenient tool to have right at your fingertips. After accessing the Quick Settings, look for the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Clicking on this option will direct you to a more detailed configuration environment, where you have greater control over Salesforce options and settings. Now you'll need to direct your focus towards the search function. Type email log files into the search bar. This search will point you directly to the part of the setup where you can manage your email logs. Once you've typed it in, click on Email Log Files from the search results. This action takes you to the page where you can view and request access to logs of email activities. After arriving here, you'll notice a Request option in the Email Log section. Go ahead and click on this to initiate the process of requesting specific email logs. The next step involves selecting a start and end time. This allows you to narrow down the email log data to a specific time frame. Selecting a start time means you are determining when to begin logging, and the end time represents when to stop. This helps in filtering out unnecessary data and focusing on the period where the information is most relevant. Now, take a moment to pay special attention to the Notification Recipients fields. Here you have the option to input the email addresses of recipients who need to be notified once the email log request is processed. You can enter the recipients if you find it necessary, but this step can be skipped if there's no one else who needs to receive this information. Finally, after reviewing all your inputs, click on Submit Request. This final action officially records your request, prompting Salesforce to gather and provide you with the requested email log data. And there you have it. The entire process of checking email logs in Salesforce, presented in an easy-to-follow manner. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need further clarification, and happy emailing.